Welcome to Big Bend, Arrowhead Provincial Park, nestled in the heart of Muskoka. This park is a hidden gem, offering stunning views and a peaceful escape into nature. When you first arrive, you'll see the park's entrance, welcoming you to explore its natural wonders. Let's take a closer look at what makes this park so special. Big Bend, Arrowhead Provincial Park is known for its beautiful forests. Tall trees surround you, creating a natural canopy. The trees here are a mix of pines, maples, and birches, each adding its own color and charm to the landscape. One of the best ways to enjoy the park is by hiking. The trails are well marked and range from easy to moderate. As you walk, you'll see different kinds of plants and hear the songs of birds. Keep an eye out for wildlife like deer and squirrels. Here's a map of the trails. Each path offers something unique. The main trail is an easy walk with beautiful views of the forest. If you're looking for more adventure, try the longer trails that take you deeper into the park. As you explore, you'll come across a lovely stream. The water flows gently, and it's a great spot to sit and relax. You might see small fish or frogs hopping around. The area by the stream is perfect for a picnic. Pack a lunch and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. There are several picnic spots with tables and benches, so you can eat and enjoy the beauty of nature. For families, there's a playground where kids can have fun. The playground is safe and has swings, slides, and climbing structures. While the kids play, you can sit nearby and watch them have a great time. If you love being on the water, the park's lake is ideal for kayaking. The lake is calm and perfect for beginners. Paddle around and take in the peaceful scenery. As the sun sets, the park transforms into a magical place. Gather around a campfire, roast marshmallows, and share stories with friends and family. The night sky here is clear, and you can see countless stars twinkling above. Early mornings are also special at the park. The mist over the lake and the sound of birds waking up create a serene atmosphere. It's a perfect time for a quiet walk or a peaceful moment by the water. The park has a rich history, and park rangers are always happy to share stories about its past. They can tell you about the local wildlife, the plants, and the history of the land. Big Bend, Arrowhead Provincial Park is a place where you can enjoy a wide range of activities. Whether you're hiking, picnicking, kayaking, or just relaxing, there's something for everyone. Every visit to the park can be a new experience. The changing seasons bring different colors and activities, so there's always something new to discover. So, come and visit Big Bend, Arrowhead Provincial Park. It's a place where you can escape from the everyday rush and reconnect with nature. We hope you have a wonderful time exploring all that this beautiful park has to offer.